Everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off a little different this time around. I am going to make 3 little areas of embellishments that I'm going to end up putting on my page. So what I did is I cut some white cardstock. It's 2 by 2, and these little pink squares are 1 1/4, no, 1 3/4 square. And I zoomed in super close. So if you can't see everything, it's because I was trying to get close so that you could see it. So each one of those squares has the pink on top, and I am going to embellish each one of those with one of those flowers or butterfly. I'm going to use the stickers from the Maggie Holmes, sticker book to help. So layering is the key in using something large to start with. So I'll start with the flowers or the butterfly. And this is the flower with the, I'm going to start with the flower with the ladybug on it. And I'm trying to find something to layer underneath it. And I'm looking for a banner. And so I choose this teal colored banner. And as I'm going through, I just want to see what would go with the other 2 elements. I'm looking for some word phrases. I'm looking for any hearts, anything small that would complement. And I don't want them to be all exactly the same. I want them to always be bigger than the square. I don't want it exactly centered in the square. I want it off-centered. So to me, that adds interest. When you have those crisp lines of the square, and then you have something soft as a circle or something round, it makes your eye kind of look at it differently. It really does draw your eye to it. So as opposed to just having just a circle or just a square. So I'm adding layers and layers. Now on that white flower, those little green words, it says follow your heart. And in all of this, I am thinking about the page that I'm going to create. So it's going to be about the girls of the Mini Kit Monday group. So as I'm looking through the word phrases, like the one that I am working on with a little ladybug, it says details to remember. And the yellow one says life is lovely. And on the butterfly, the white one says every day brings a new story. And the green says collect beautiful moments. And then the yellow on the white flower, the yellow, what is it? It's like a ticket. It says think happy. So I've gone through the whole book. I think I'm pretty good. I'm happy with it. So now I just need to glue it down. I do add some foam tape behind this. Oh, it's kind of a pinky peach color. And then on the butterfly, I only add foam tape on one side of it. And then the other side, I just glue down. So you can see I'm adding glue over on the left side, and you can barely tell, but it does add a little bit of a shadow on my page. And adding my sequins. I love these big 10 millimeter sequins. Love, love, love them. And I just put them down where I think that, I don't know, I just like the color and the shape. I just put them down where I think they should go. I always add Distress Collage Medium to my sequins. I know that they won't fall off if you use that. I can't say that for the other mediums that are out there. Once I get them complete, I am ready for my page. Give you a close-up of each one of those, and there's also photos of the close-ups as well. I am going to use a sketch. I'm using the Page Maps. I think it was March 2017 sketch. Always makes my pages go together well. Going to trim this. I've told you this is really red. It comes across as orange, but it's very red. And I'm going to put it on a breath of fresh air on some white cardstock. The pink is like a 6 by 12, and this red is, I believe it is um, a 9 by, what is it? 9 by 7. And then here is the photo. Now, the girls, we all got together for a Sunday crop day. It's been several months ago. And I think it was Becky that took the photo and she passed it along to all of us. And I'm going to use it today because I am thankful for this group. I'm thankful for these ladies. They have been such a great group of friends. As you probably well know, if you're part of the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group, they're very encouraging and have lots of inspiration. Now, not everyone is in that photo. The only ones that aren't there is Dolly and Daisy. For whatever reason, they were gone and they couldn't participate. So I've got 4 different color patterns of paper there. And it was kind of a nice thing to use a simple embellishments like the ones I created to go with these colors. And by doing 3 of them, it's an odd number. Now I was told when I first started scrapbooking that whenever you scrapbook, you should always do it in odds because your eye automatically uh, pairs things up and like crosses them off. And so by having the element of an odd number, it brings interest. So that's why I have the 3 embellishments. That's why they say, to use the triangle because your eye, can, if you only had 2, which a lot of times I do have 2 because I do a lot of diagonal embellishing. I don't usually do the triangle. I can't say that this is really a triangle, even though I guess it could be, but I just do what I think is appealing. So I'm going to leave the little embellishment squares there, and I'm going to work on my title. I'm pulling that uh, wood veneer word amazing. And I want to, because I haven't used any of those, and this is the last layout of the month. So, I didn't want to put stuff away. I want to go ahead and use it. And this is an amazing group of ladies. So I'm using these beautiful alphas and just spelling out the Mini Kit Monday girls, trying to get that descending, Z and G, trying to make it fit. And I'm having the hardest time. I end up kind of squishing the word kit between those two. I'm going to make it work. And I do a little fiddling here. Because my title is so long, I didn't, use the rulers. I know sometimes I do, but if it's just one continuous line of a title that I'm using, the alpha, then I will use a ruler, but I knew that it was going to be several lines there. All right, so we just glue everything down. I did not glue down the alpha. They seem to be sticking pretty good. I hope I don't have to go back and glue them down, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I'm going to add some more of those puffy stickers. Remember those? I do add a few of those, just a couple. Yeah, I'm going to add 3. So we'll get there in just a minute. Don't forget to check out the other ladies at the Mini Kit Monday group. I'm going to leave links to their channels below. And also make sure you check out the Facebook challenge group. And we will be having something, in December to see if anyone else wants to participate, on our channel. Well, it's not really our channel. It's just part of the group. We're going to choose one person a month to highlight, and we will want to know who wants to participate. And we're looking for people that are starting their YouTube channel. All right, here's the close-up, guys. Thanks a lot for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.